We're starting a project today. I'm making this old sewing machine base into an end table. It's really unusual because it's like two leveled. I'm going to be putting some wood on the top of it, of course, and then right now I'm priming the base. So here we go, let's get going. There wasn't a lot, I mean there's rust, but I just want to cover up to try to get a nice coat on. I'm not like the best painter. We'll see how this goes. It says like the primer doesn't have to be like perfect, so good. I have done some research. I'm gonna go ahead and paint and then I'll bring you back when it's done. The primer is on. I'm not too concerned about the top because that's gonna have a wood top on there. I'm trying to decide what type of wood, either walnut or, I'm not sure. Went pretty well. Very ornate sides on here. It does not have the trundle or treadle, that's what it's called, down here, but that's okay. I only had to pay $6.50 for this base. So it's gonna make a pretty reasonably priced end table if I can pull it off. Stay tuned and we'll be spray painting next. This does have to dry 24 hours. So I had to move inside for the top coat, the black top coat, because it is so windy outside today. I'm afraid that the overspray is going to be awful. So let's get started. I'm doing a satin coat. I don't want it real shiny. So I'm gonna keep doing this and I'll bring you back when I have the coat on. Okay, the first top coat is on. I am gonna give it another coat. I have to wait 1 hour. I also have some gold, antique gold rub and buff for this part. I'll show you. That part here. We're gonna see how it looks. If I don't like the way it looks after I put it on, I'll just repaint it, respray paint it. So we'll see you back in an hour. I really am excited about this. I am liking it. Whoa, it is hot. Second top coat, it's not gonna take much because it's looking good. So in about an hour, I will be coming back to put the Rub and Buff Gold on the accents. Here we go. Okay, so now I have 2 top coats on it. And I am now going to rub and buff an antique gold over the letters here. Just to get them to pop a little more. This is called rub and buff. Put it on your finger and just lightly touch the area. And you'll see that it actually really pops the letters and, oop, maybe got a little too much on that one. Okay. Not even sure what that is, but just kind of giving it a light touch. You see some outline there. Okay. This is just some fancy leafing on there. Looking good. Really like it. Ooh, I always like dab it back on a paper towel so I don't get like too much on it. Just trying to hit the highlights here. What do you think? I think it looks good. So my husband got the table tops cut. So tonight I'm gonna do a little sanding on them, get them stained and varnished so that he can go ahead and get those attached to the base of the sewing machine. I'm really liking how it's looking. As you see, we just replaced floors and we have to get the air conditioning grates ordered. Well, they're ordered, they're just not in. And this is the finished project. I love it. I think it turned out really well. I really like the gold rub-and buff that highlighted the details. And it looks great as an end table next to my love seat. I think just under $100 is what it cost me to refurbish this. And I believe that $100 for an end table is not a bad price, especially one that you really like. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye.